Light microscopy. Modern light microscopes are made up of more than one lenses. In combination, these lenses magnify the image of an object. In compound microscope, there are eyepiece lens, that is ocular lens. This is draw tube, this is body tube, this is nose piece, to which 2 or 3 objective lenses are attached. This is the stage having a hole where a slide containing the object can be placed for vision. This is the condenser lens. This is the mirror which reflects light beam through the condenser, which passes through the object and enters into objective. By combination of eyepiece and objective, a magnified image is formed, inverted virtual image is formed like this. This is the object position. This is the objective. This is the objective below which object is there. So object, then objective, then eyepiece lens. Through this eyepiece lens, one can view the object. So light beams coming from the object passes through objective, then form an intermediate image in between objective lens and ocular eyepiece lens. Then it enters through the ocular eyepiece into eye and formed an inverted image with large size, that is the final image. This type of image formation takes place in compound microscope. So in compound microscope, the magnification depends upon the ocular magnification, lens magnification into magnification of eyepiece. Suppose this is 10x, this is 40x, then 400 times magnification takes place in compound microscope. So compound microscope has a light source of illumination. Light source is to be applied. Condenser is there having specific lens, so it is located between light source and the stage of the stage and which receives light. Then sample is placed on the stage. Objective lens produces a real intermediate image in front of ocular microscope. It is real image, it is virtual image. Ocular microscope refocuses intermediate image into a large image. This is the ocular lens which refocuses and forms a large image. And in this case, light source of different wavelengths are received by the mirror, focuses on this condenser. So it depends upon the numerical aperture of the objective. Numerical aperture of objective is the light gathering capacity, which depends upon the angle and refractive index, and a medium exists between object and objective. And in case of compound microscope, numerical aperture, that is n into sin theta. Yesterday I have explained regarding numerical aperture. which is essential for image formation.